The charges relate to Van Niekerk's tenure as Speaker of Council. He is accused of appointing a law firm while his seat was declared vacant in council. He allegedly ended up racking up a bill of more than R500,000 from the firm. An ad hoc committee recommended that he should be suspended or removed as councillor. Last year, the council voted for his suspension, a decision it has now rescinded.
We had to show our leadership attributes when we had to self-correct when we've done wrong. Because in terms of the code of conduct of councillors, no councillor can suspend the other. And we admitted ourselves that we've done wrong. But it does not mean that we are saying Councillor Van Niekerk must not be subjected to the necessary processes when the time fits.
Council does not have the authority to suspend a councillor. Remember, the matter of the Deputy Executive Mayor was referred to a committee which did its job, made its presentations to council, and the decision was taken that that outcome will then be escalated to the provincial leg of government, the MEC of Gqeberha. So it is now out of our hands, and we've been very vocal as the EFF in saying that it's now not within our parameters to take such a decision. However, council took such a decision which was wrong, and hence we needed to bring it back here to rescind that decision so that Councillor Gary van Niekerk can get back to full activity. He must be reinstated by tomorrow.
Opposition parties have questioned the decision to keep Van Niekerk in his position and in council. Some have called for the intervention of Gqeberha MEC Zolile Williams to suspend Van Niekerk as empowered by the Municipal Systems Act.
They should have never suspended Gary van Niekerk because council doesn't have the powers to suspend a person that has been appointed by council in that position. They could have only removed him through a motion of no confidence, and on that day there was a motion which they could have used to remove him. So we felt that it was wrong. So his reinstatement today doesn't make no difference because according to the law he was never actually removed as a deputy mayor. So this is actually indictment on the city because they gave us legal advice, and one was to wonder who the attorney was that gave the city manager that advice, and that the acting city manager then advised the council. But the legislation is very clear that it's only the MEC that has the powers to suspend a councillor or a political office bearer. The powers is not vested with council. So that is one of the reasons why we basically abstained from the item today, because we didn't vote in favor or we didn't vote against, because we felt that he was always the deputy mayor.
Totally not surprised. Councillor Van Niekerk would be in court now on the 30th at the Hawks. Next month is again in court, but it has become now like synonymous now with the ANC. Those are the type of characters that they would always like protect. You understand? The MEC said in December already, once he gets a report from the speaker, he's going to act like within 7 days. It's 4 months now.
And I mean, the fact that you have a person facing all those charges as your second citizen of the city is absolutely ridiculous. He's going through court proceedings and everything, but in the past 4 years he hasn't been anything else but a menace to the city.
Van Niekerk will appear in court on Monday next week on charges of fraud relating to the late unauthorized use of municipal funds. Lerato Fekisi, SABC News, Gqeberha.